Good morning, all of you. So, we have just started the new chapter, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. So, there, ma'am has already introduced. You are going to learn about perimeter and area. So, first, we are reading about perimeter and area of rectangle and square. I hope you remember the formulas. Yes, you all remember the formulas. So let us recall whatever you have learned. Okay, so perimeter. Let us recall first perimeter. So first we are dealing with two shapes, that is square and rectangle. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the perimeter of a square which is having the side A? A square is there and each side equals to A. What will be the perimeter? You tell me the area also. You tell me the area of that square having the side A. So you can pause the video and just recall it. Whatever? Yes? Whatever you have learned, recall? Yes. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. If you forget the formula also, you derive it. Okay. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Okay, sum of means the boundary you are going to calculate. So here we have A, so it is the opposite side, opposite side of square equal, opposite sides of square equal, so all side A. Okay, all the side of a square are equal. So A plus A plus A plus A, that can also be written as 4 into A, or you can write 4A. Okay, 4 into A or 4A. A plus A plus A plus A, 4A. Don't confuse. Don't write this as A to the power 4. Totally wrong. Okay. So if you are in your mind, if it is coming A to the power 4, that is totally wrong. It is A plus A plus A plus A. 4 times A. So it is a 4A, not A to the power 4. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Perimeter of the square. Now how to find the area? How to find the area of the square having the side A? Side into side, and here both the side are side into side. So side A into side A. So what you will get? A into A. So don't write 2A. It is not twice of A. It is not twice of A. It is A square because multiplication sign is there. Okay, so it will be A square, not 2A. So two things you remember. Okay, don't confuse. When multiplication, then square. If it is A into A cube. Okay, but we are finding the area of the square, so A into A square, and perimeter of the square is 4A. So two things: perimeter of square 4A, perimeter of square 4A, and area of square A square for the square which is having the side A. Okay, and in square we know all the sides are equal. Now we are going to talk about a little about rectangle. So here rectangle, we are considering a rectangle with length L and breadth B. So as you know, perimeter we are going to find out. So it's the boundary length, we are going to get it. So boundary length, so length plus breadth, what will be this side? Opposite side of rectangle are equal, so it is L, means this also I have to consider L. Opposite side of the rectangle equal, so this again becomes B. Okay, so L plus B plus L plus B. So what it will come? L plus L, L square or 2L? It is twice of L, so 2L plus 2B. Okay, now you can both the terms we are having 2, so you can take that common. So 2 whole multiplied by L plus B, length plus breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle equals to twice of length plus breadth. Okay. So if you forget that formula also, you can easily derive. Just apply the concept. Perimeter means we are going to find out the boundary length. So you can easily do it. Okay. Now area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Very good. Length into breadth. So about rectangle, perimeter is twice of length plus breadth. Area is length into breadth. Okay, now we are going to solve the exercise 11.1. So let's start with the question number 1. Okay, so the length and breadth are given for a rectangular piece of land. So here in the question you can see the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Okay, find its area. You are going to find its area. Just now we have done the formula. Okay, it is a rectangular piece of land in a rectangular shape. That land in a rectangular shape. So area will be what? So first, always you write down the formula. Then you put the value. Then you calculate. Okay. Each and every step carries mark. So you have to write it fully. So area of rectangle means length into breadth. Here our length is 500 meter multiplied by breadth is 300 meter. That will be equal to 5 3s are 15 and how many 0? 1 2 3 4 0. That much what? Don't forget the unit. When you are doing perimeter area, don't forget to write the unit. What will be the unit? Meter into meter. So it is twice of meter or meter square. It is multiplication here. Meter into meter. So you know meter into meter? Yes, meter square. Not twice of meter. It is meter square. When it will be m plus m, that time twice m. Okay, so it is meter into meter, so meter square. Okay, it will be more better. So before, if you have written given length equal to 500 meter, breadth equals to 300 meter, then you wrote area length into breadth, then you do that also correct. Okay, so cost of the land, second part. Cost of the land, if 1 meter square of the land cost rupees 10,000. Okay, so whatever given, I am writing that first. It is a unitary method, very easy question. What you have done till now, unitary method. Okay, cost of 500 pen is this. Therefore, the cost of 1 pen, you have done. Even you have done cost of 1 flower vase is this. Find the cost of 100 flower vase. Same type of question here. Okay, so here what is given in the question? Cost. Cost of what? Cost of 1 meter square land equals to rupees 10,000. But what is the area? Whenever you will see something square, meter square, centimeter square, okay, so that means anything, length square. Okay, this is the length unit. Meter is the unit of length. Okay, so whenever you will see length square, meter square, centimeter square, decimeter square, that represent area. That represent area. So here 1 meter square of land is representing what? Area of that land. When the area is 1 meter square, cost is 10,000. So now what will be the cost of our required 1. Our area of that rectangular piece is 150000 meter square. That much land will be rupees 10,000 multiplied by 151234 zeros. That will be equal to rupees 151234 1 2 3 4 zeros, total 8 zeros. So that much cost will be there. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you and the concept also clear. Okay, now we are moving on to next question, second number question. Okay, so previous question you have seen how we have applied the concept of perimeter and area for rectangle in our daily life. Using that concept, we can calculate area of any rectangular piece of land. So it is a practical use why we are reading the chapter perimeter and area. That is the answer why we are reading the chapter perimeter and area. Okay, we can use this concept in many fields. Okay, first example you have seen how we have used that concept of perimeter and area to calculate the area of the rectangular piece plus how much cost will be that land we can buy that land with how much cost. Okay, next is another practical example. Here you see, find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So area of the square park we are going to calculate. So you will be thinking, we need area of the square, so we will simply do side into side. But the question is not containing what is the value of side of that square park. But they are indirectly giving the side. How? They are giving the perimeter. So you have to think using perimeter how you can find out the side. Okay, so you will be thinking, I don't know side, how can I calculate the area of the square park? Yes, you can calculate because indirect hint is given. Okay, perimeter is given. So now you have to think over that using perimeter how you can find out the side. Okay, so given, so we will proceed with the given part on it. Okay, so perimeter equals to 320 meter. Okay, whatever given in the question I have written. Now this is the perimeter of what? Of the square park. The park is in the shape of a square. So perimeter formula will be what? Perimeter for a square. Total length of the boundary of the square. 4 into A. So 4A is equals to 320 meter. So I'm not doing anything. Below perimeter, I'm just writing the formula of it. Since it is a square, so square perimeter formula I'm writing equals to this. So you start with the given sentence and you just proceed. You will easily get it. Okay, side you will easily get it. So or therefore A represent the side of the square. So you can just draw over there to mention that we are considering A as the side of the square park. Okay, so A will be equals to 320 meter divide by, since 4 into it is in the multiplication, so 4 will goes to the denominator, equals to 4 is a 32 0. So our side of the square park is 80 meter and all the sides are equal in a square, so we have got indirectly all the sides. Okay, now you can easily find out the area. Therefore area of the square park equals to area. You know how to find out for a square. A square, A side into side. Side into side means A into A square. So here our side is 80 square, or you can write this as 80 into 80. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, wait. It is 80 side square. So you can write this as 80 meter into 80 meter. So 8 8's a 64 and 2 0. That much what? Don't forget to write. Again I am telling, here also side means it is a length. So don't forget to write the unit here. Here it is given in meter. So it will also be in meter. Here we are multiplying with what? Meter into meter. So it will come meter square. So don't forget, the unit also contain the marking. So you must not forget to write that. Okay. So I hope this question is clear to you. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Now question number 3 we have not done. So question number 3 and question number 4 totally equal. Only one thing is that here perimeter given, there in the third question area is given with same type of question. Okay, so out of 3 and 4 we are doing the fourth number question. Okay, fourth one we are doing. Third one, if you understand this one, you can easily do the third question. Okay, so that will be your homework, third question. So now in the fourth question it is asked, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular sheet is already given. Perimeter means the sheet length, boundary length is already given 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, what is given? Length is already given, it is of 35 centimeter. Okay, 35 centimeter. Find its breadth. Also find the area. So as I have told, what is given you write down first, it will proceed automatically. Okay, given, first of all length is already given 35 centimeter, and what else is given? The perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So perimeter is given. Perimeter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, so whenever you see this type of question, you just put the formula for perimeter below that. Okay, what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle, sum of all the side, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, that is equals to, we have already derived, twice of length plus breadth equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, or length plus breadth equals to 100 centimeter, divide by 2. 2 in the multiplication here, so it will go to the denominator. Here 100 divided by 2, 50 centimeter. Now length plus breadth is coming 50 centimeter. Again, out of this two we know one. Which one? Length we know. So put the value of length. Length is 35. So put the value of length 35 plus b equals to 50 centimeter. Okay. Wait. Length is 35 centimeter plus b equals to 50 centimeter. Therefore, breadth equals to 50 minus 35, that much what? Don't forget to write unit centimeter. It is in centimeters or centimeter. Here, few are there. They may do the mistake. They are seeing here 5, here 3. So they will do minus and they directly will write 25. Wrong. When you are doing the subtraction, do it carefully. Okay. 50 minus 35 is 15. Not 25. So our breadth is coming now 15 centimeter. Our breadth is coming now. It was a question mark where we have proceeded for that. So it is coming 15 centimeter. So we have got length, breadth, perimeter, and they are also asking for the find the area. They are also asking about the area. So you know how to calculate the area of a rectangular piece. So area will be equals to area of rectangular sheet. Yes, length into breadth. So length we know 35 centimeter multiplied by breadth 15 centimeter. Okay, I am rubbing this one. So it will, how much it will come? 35 into 15. 35 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 3s are 15. 16 17. 35 into 1. 35. So 5 7 5 12 2. 1 will be there. 3 4 5. 5 25. 5 25 what? It is centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Okay, so I think this question is clear. You just try the third question. It is very easy. In the third question, what is asked? The area of that something is given. Area value is given. And you are going to find the either length or breadth. One of the thing is already given, either length or breadth. Area is given, something you are going to find, and find the in place of area perimeter you are going to find out. Okay, you must try that third question. Very easy, same thing. Okay, next question. So here in the fifth question, the area of the square part is same as that of the rectangular part. Two types of parts are there. One square in shape and another okay you make with scale. So two parts are there of two shape, one square, one rectangle, but according to question their area is same. The region, how much region is there inside that square part, that much region is only there inside the rectangular part. Area is same. Both is having area A. Okay, if it is A, then also area of that rectangular field also A. Next, what is given? If the side of the square park is 60 meter, side of the square park is 60 meter, and you know square means all side equals all side 60 meter. Okay. Next, given length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Length, this is the length of the rectangular park. This is given 90 meter. Okay, find the breadth of the rectangular park. We don't know what will be the breadth of the rectangular park. So first of all you can write the given one. Side of square park equals to 60 meter, and length of rectangular park is also given. Length of rectangular park equals to 90 meter. So these two things given, and one hint is given to solve the question. What is that hint? Area of the square part is same as that of the rectangular part. Both the area of this rectangle and the square is same. Okay, so according to question, area of square park equal to area of rectangular park. According to question, it is that. Now we are going to find out the breadth of the rectangular park. So breadth we are going to find out, so we are going to put the formulas only containing the breadth term. Okay, so area of square, area of square, area of this square, area means here side into side. Okay, so each side is square means all sides same. Okay, so each side 60 meter. So area of the square will be 60 meter into 60 meter, side into side or side square. A square, you know. Okay, so A is 60 meter here, equals to area of rectangular park. Area of any rectangle? Yes, length into breadth. So length we know. Length we know here. Okay, length is 90 meter. But breadth we don't know. Let it be B. I'm considering this breadth as B. Okay, so 90 meter into B. You can just first write the formula, then also you can put the values. For example, you can write down first A square or A into A equals to length into breadth. Then you can proceed with this step. Okay, that is also okay. Since I'm not having much space here, so I'm not including that part. Okay, therefore breadth will be how much? Breadth will be how much? This 90 meter in multiplication I'm taking to this side, so it will come 60 meter into 60 meter. This will go to the division. Okay, divide by 90 meter. So 1 meter will cancel. Okay, 1 0 0 will cancel. So what is left? 6 6 are 36 and 1 0 is there. That much meter, divide by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 how much? 360. 40. Okay, so here you can include one more step. You can first write down. Okay, I'm writing here. You can write down area of square is A into A or A square equals to area of rectangle length into breadth. After that, it will be more clear while you will put the values. Okay, so what the value is coming? For the breadth equals to 40 meters. So you can finally write it down. The breadth of the rectangular park is 40 meter. Okay, so we have done different types of question today. First, length, breadth, side of the square, length, breadth of the rectangle given, we can easily find out perimeter area. If side of the square is given, we can easily find out the perimeter and area of that square. When perimeter given and length given, we can easily find out breadth. When side given, when area given, we can easily find out side. Okay, next this question, when two things becomes equal, one of square, one of rectangle, then we proceed and we get one of the term is missing there, either length or breadth, we can easily find out. So different types of problems we have solved today. So you practice few this kind of problems at home. So few homework for you. So these few questions are homework for you. Exercise 11.1, question number 3. It is just same like question number 4. So once you try to do all the sums I have done now, try to do it in classwork copy by yourself without seeing the video. First you see the video, observe it, how we are using the concepts, then how you are solving, then you try to do by yourself in classwork copy, whatever we have done in class today. Okay, and in homework copy you do exercise 11.1 question number 3 just like it is question number 4 only few things changed. Exercise 11.1 question number 7. It is also the same type we have done today. Okay, page 207, question number 5. You will see before exercise 11.1 few examples are there. Don't see the solution, solve by yourself. Okay, so you do it. Page 207, question number 5. It is present as example 5, written as example 5 in that page. Okay, you do that. Page 207, similarly question 3. Page 206, question number 2. Page 206, question number 1. It is present just above the exercise, before exercise 11.1, as example 5, example 3, example 2, example 1. Don't copy it from the book, try to do by yourself. This all type of question we have done today. Okay, so it will just a practice, so you do all these questions in your homework. Okay then, thank you.